Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice math problem? Solution from here. We can write what we have here as 4 raised to power x over 6 equals to, this is the same thing as 20 over 1. Then, next step, we cross multiply 4 raised to power x times 1, also 20 times 6. As this we have 4 raised to power x equals to 20 times 6 here. Then next step, take the log on both sides. Here we have log 4 raised to power x equals to log 20 times 6. And this follows when we have log m raised to power p. This same thing as p log m. This, when we apply this here, we have x log 4, which is equals to log 20 times 6 here. So divide both sides by log 4. Divide this side by log 4. Also divide this side by log 4, which implies log 4 cancel each other here. We have x equals to log 20 times 6 over log 4. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, and write this as log a plus log b. Then what we have now becomes x equals to log 20 plus log 6 over log 4. Then when we have a plus b over c, this is a over c plus b over c. This we have x equals to log 20 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. Then next step here, let's rewrite 20 as 4 times 5. And what we have becomes x equals to log 4 times 5 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. Then this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 4 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. And when we separate this as well, we have x equals to log 4 over log 4 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4, which implies log 4 cancel each other. We have one left. That is x now equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 6 over log 4. So also 6 here, same thing as 2 times 3. That is, we can write it as x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 2 times 3 over log 4. When we apply the law of logarithm. Also, we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 2 plus log 3 over log 4. And also, separating this into two fractions, we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 4 plus log 2 over log 4 plus log 3 over log 4. That is, next step here, I rewrite 4 as 2 times 2, which is 2 squared. Then we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over log 2 squared plus log 2 over log 2 squared plus log 3 over log 2 squared. Then when we apply the power law of logarithm, 2 comes there, also here, then from here, and we have x equals to 1 plus log 5 over 2 log 2 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 3 over 2 log 2. Then here, log 2 cancel each other. We have 1 over 2 left. That is, we have x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2 plus here, we can write this as 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 2. Also plus here we have 1 over 2 times log 3 over log 2. So we can write this as x equals to 1 plus 1 over 2. That's 3 over 2 plus here we have half times log 5 over log 2 plus also here we have half times log 3 over log 2. Then applying change of base here, when we have log A over log B, which is same thing as log A to base B. I write this now as x equals to 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 1 over 2 log 3 base 2. And we bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to, the LCM here now, that's 2. So here we have 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. So we have the value of x in this given problem. Then we can check if this satisfies this problem. We substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 all over 2. And this, what we have becomes 4 raised to power this 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 all over 2 up here divided by 6. This is equals to 20 on this side. So since 4 same thing as 2 square, then raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 over 2, then all over 6. This is equals to 20 here. This power multiplies. 2 can cancel each other so that we have 2 raised to power 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 all over 6. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And this follows the law of indices, and we can write it as 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 times 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 all over 6. Is it equals to 20 on this side? And 2 raised to power 3 here, that's 8. And this follows when we have a raised to power log b base a, which is equals to b. So here we have 5 times 3 here all over 6. Is it equals to 20 on this side? Then 3 goes here 1, 3 goes here 2, and 2 goes here 1, 2 goes in 8, 4. This remains 4 times 5, and 4 times 5 is 20, which is equals to 20 here. So the left hand side is now equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that the value of x here, which is 3 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 all over 2, satisfy this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video with thumbs up and put your comments. See you next lesson. Bye for now.